jant jigéenu weer yaa ñu leeral ya yonga cant kun fi jo yaa go veña.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to Jotaayu Mimi Show. I would like today to denounce the political violence that we've been witnessing these past 2 days. The violence coming from the police that is unbearable. You have seen the video of the smashed window of the opponent, Usman Sonko, extracted from his car, thrown in a police car, and marched to his house. That is a violation of political rights, obviously. Senegal is not known for this kind of practice, so this practice is quite shameful for a country like Senegal, known for its vibrant democracy, known for its tolerance. So we are leading to a path that is really, really concerning, and I would like to denounce that. I also would like mostly to denounce the arrestation of hundreds of young people, activists. Of course, they are not as known, but these are democracy activists, who denounce the third term, the willingness of President Macky Sall to run for a third term, and they are being arrested and thrown to jail. This is a violation of their political rights. A democracy is about expressing your opinion. Democracy is about expressing freely your opinion. That is what we knew, that is what we know as Democrats. So I call upon all intellectuals, all who are concerned about Senegalese democracy, to come together as one and to fight this practice, that we thought we will never witness again in our country.